Children, let us continue the chapter Statistics. Now let us start the exercise 3 of the chapter. The first question. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. In this question, frequency distribution is given. The frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of locality. We have to find the median, mean and mode, which are the central tendencies. Now here you take the monthly consumption, which are given in terms of class interval and number of consumers, that is the frequency. 65 to 85 units consumption is made by 4 families. 85 to 105 consumption is made by 5 families. 105 to 125 consumption is made by the 13 families. 125 to 145 units are consumed by the 20 families, and 145 to 165 units by 14 consumers, and 165 to 185 is by the 8 consumers, and 185 to 205 is by the 4 consumers. Now it is a frequency distribution. Let us tabulate and let us take the data, and also let us take the third column, that is for the cumulative frequency. So you write the data here. 65 to 85 by the consumers 4, 85 to 105 by 5 consumers, 105 to 125 by 13 consumers, 125 to 145 by 20 consumers, 145 to 165 by 14 consumers, 165 to 185 by 8 consumers, and 185 to 205 by 4 consumers. Now let us find the cumulative frequency, which is denoted as CF, and it is F. Now the frequency of the class 65 to 85 is 4, and next up to 105 is 4 plus 5, that is 9. 4 plus 5, 9 you can write. Next up to 125, that is 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13 is 22. 22. Next you take up to 145 is 22 plus 20, that is 42. 22 plus 20 is 42. Next up to 165, the frequency is 42 plus 14, that is 56. 42 plus 14 is 56. Next 56 plus 8, that is 64, and 64 plus 4 is 68. Total number of family under the survey is here 68. Total the 68 consumers are taken for the data here. Now you take n is here. N equals how much? 68. N equals 68. Then you write n equals 68, and to find the median class we have to find n by 2. N by 2 equals 68 by 2, that is 34. and this observation lies in the class 34. 34 is nearer to 42, and it is 42 must be greater than 34. That you know that 42 is greater than 32 and 34 and nearer to 34. 42 is greater than 34 and nearer to 34. So we have to consider this. Now what you have got here, this observation lies in the class 125 to 145. 125 to 145. Therefore, this is the median class. Which is the median class? 125 to 145 is the median class. Right? Therefore, this observation lies in the class 125 to 145. Therefore, 125 to 145 is the median class. Is the median class. Now you find the value of L, CF, F and H. So what is L here? L is 125 and F is 20, that is the frequency of the median class, and 22 is the CF, that is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is the previous class. And H is the size of the class, that is 145 minus 125, you will get 20. So we write one by one. L is the lower limit of the class 125, and CF is 22, CF 22, F is 20, F is 20, then size of the class H equals 20, that is 145 minus 125 is 20. You write 145 minus 125, that equals 20 you write. Next you write the formula for the median. What is the formula for the median? Median equals L plus N by 2 minus CF whole divided by F into H. Then you substitute the values. L is 125 plus N by 2, N is 68 by 2 minus CF is 22, that divided by F is 20 into, what is the value of H? H is 20. Now here you can cancel here. You write 125 as it is plus these two cancel, so it is better to cancel them. Then 68 by 2 is 34 minus 22. 34 minus 22. Then you write, therefore median equals 125 plus 34 minus 22 is 12. That equals 137 units. So what is the median? 137 units. Now let us find mean. To find mean, here have the 4 columns. One is for the class interval and other is for the frequency. Third one is for the class mark. Next, product of Fi and Xi. Now you write the monthly consumption which is given in terms of class interval. First one is 65, 85. Frequency is 4. Then 85, 105. Frequency is 5. Then 105, 125. frequency is 13, 125, 145, frequency is 20, 145, 165, frequency is 14, and 165, 185, frequency is 8, and 185 to 205, the frequency is 4. Then you find the class mark xi, that is the midpoint of the class. You know the method of finding the midpoint. Sum of these two divided by 2. 65 plus 85 by 2. So what is the sum of 65, 85? 65 plus 85 by 2. 60 plus 80 is 140. 150 by 2, then it is 75. So it is 75. Next, what is the size of the class? 65 to 85 means 20. You can add 75 and 20. Then you will get 95. Otherwise, sum of these two. Sum of these two is 105 plus 85 is 190. 190 divided by 2 is 95. That is nothing but 75 plus 20. Again, you can add 20 to 95. 20 is the size of the class. Then you will get 115. Find the sum of these two and divide it by 2. That you will get 105 plus 125 is 230. 230 by 2 is, you will get 115. Again plus 20, the size of the class, you will get 135. Verify here. 125 plus 145, you will get 270. 270 by 2, you will get 135. Then again, if you add 20, you will get 155. That is sum of these two divided by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 145 plus 65 is, you know that 145 plus 165, 200 plus 50, that is 310 you will get. 310 by 2 is 155. Again, if you add 20, you will get 175. It is sum of these two divided by 2. 165 plus 165 plus 185, you will get 5 plus 5, 10. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6, 15. 350 you are going to get. That divided by 2, you will get 175. 350 divided by 2, 175. That is nothing but 155 plus 70. Again, you add 20 to 175, you will get 195. Or you verify here. 185 plus 190, 290. 290 divided by 2 is 195. Sum of these two is 290 divided by 2 is what? That is 195. In this way, here if you got one class mark and if all the class intervals are having same size, then you can add that size to the first class mark to get the second class mark. Again, add that 20 or this class size to the second to get the third one. That also you can do, or otherwise sum of the upper limit, lower limit divided by 2 also you can do. Now you find the product of Fi and Xi. 75 into 4. 75 into 4 is 300. You do it. 75 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 4 7 are 28 plus 2 is 30. 75 into 4 is 300. 95 5s are. Then find 95 5s are. 95 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 9 5s are 45 plus 2, 47. So what is the product of 95 5s are? That is 470. 5 5s are 25. 9 5s are 45. That is 475 you will get. Next, 13 into 115. That is 13 5s are 65. and 13 ones are 13 plus 6, 19, and 13 ones are 13 plus 1, 14. 1495 you got here. Then next you take 20 into 135. 20 into 135, that you know. 2 5s are 10. Here you write 0. And 2 5s are 10. 1. Next 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 1s are 2. You will get 2700. 135 2s are 270. 135 20 is a 2700. Next 14 into 155. 14 5s are 70. 7 carrying. Again 14 5s are 70 plus 7, 77. Again 7 carrying. 14 ones are 14 plus 7, 21. You got 2170. Then 8 into 175. 8 5s are 8 into 175. 8 5s are 40. 8 7s are 56 plus 4, 60. 6 carrying. 8 ones are 8 plus 6, 14. So you got 1400. Next 4 into 195. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. And 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 2 carrying. And 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. You got 78. 780. Then find the sum of Fi xi. Summation of Fi xi. So you will get 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5, 10 you will get. 5 plus 5, 10. Write 0 here. 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 7, 32. Write 2 here. 3 carrying. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 4, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. 30 plus 3, 33. Right? 33. 3 carrying. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. You got 9320. Then you divide here. Again you know that summation of Fi is 68. Add these all frequencies, you will get 68 only. Now write the formula for mean. Mean equals summation of Fi xi divided by summation of Fi. That equals summation of Fi xi is 9320 divided by 68. Now you take 9320 divided by 68. Then 68 you will get 68 ones are 68. Then 3 you will get 13 minus 8 is 5. And 8 minus 6 you will get 2. 252. 252. Then you will get 68 threes are 8 threes are 24, 2 carrying. 6 threes are 8. 8 plus 2, 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Then what is remaining here? You will get 8. 4 8 here. And you know that 6 7s are 42. Approximately 68 into 7. 8 7s are 56. 6 7s are 42 plus 5, 47. So you will get 7s are 476. then 4 carrying, approximately you got 137. 137. You write x bar equals 137. Mean is 137. You got mean equals 137. To find mode, observe the maximum frequency, identify the maximum frequency. Here which is the maximum frequency? 20 is the maximum frequency. Since the maximum number of consumers have their monthly consumption in units in the interval 125 to 145, because 20 is the maximum frequency and this is the frequency of the class 125 to 145. Therefore, it is a modal class. So, you write maximum frequency is 20. It is the frequency of the class, which class? 125 to 145. Therefore, the modal class is 125 to 145. Now you write all. Here we have to write L, H, F1, F0, F2. Then here F1, this is the F1, and F0 is 13 and F2 is 14 and L is 125. L is 125. Right here L equals 125 and H equals size of the class, that is, you know that 145 minus 125, that is 20. F1 is the frequency, maximum frequency, that is the frequency of the modal class. F1 equals 20. F1 is 20, F0 is 13, F2 is 14. You write F0 is 13, F2 is 14. Then you write the formula. Formula for mode, that you know already. Mode equals L plus, right, F1 minus F0 whole divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. It is that into H. Substitute the values. L is 125 plus F1 is 20 minus F0 is 13 by 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14 into H is 20. Then you write 125 plus 20 minus 13 is 7 by 40 minus sum of these two is 13 minus 14, you will get 27 minus 27 into 10 into 20 into 20, that equals, you will get 125 into 7 by 125 plus 7 by 40 minus 27 is 13 into 20 into 20, that equals 125 plus 720 is 140. 140 divided by 13, divide 140 by 13, you will get 13 ones are 13, 1 0, that is not divisible, put 0 and 0 here, 10 point, you will get 13 sevens are 91, then you will get 9 here, 0, approximately you will get 9 only. Then you write 125 plus 10.77 It is 125 plus 10 is 135.77. So mode equals, you got 135.77. So here we have to compare all the three values. Then you write comparison. Here you know what is the value of mean. What is the value of median? Median is 137. Mean is also 137. And mode is 135.77. So you write here median equals 137 units. This is also 1 units here. And mean equals 137 units. And mode equals 135.77 units. On comparison, we find that the three measures are approximately the same in this case. Approximately, here these two are exactly same, and this is approximately, we can compare them. We find that three measures are approximately the same in this case. The second question, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y. In this question, class interval and frequency are given, and frequency of the class interval 10 to 20 is given unknown, that is x, and also the frequency of 40 to 50 is given unknown, that is y. We have to find the value of x and y, and it is given that the median is 28.5. Median is 28.5. Now let us take the here class interval, frequency and cumulative frequency. And you know the method of finding the cumulative frequency. First you write 5. Next 5 plus x. Right? That is 5 plus x. Then 5 plus x plus 20. You will get 25 plus x. 25 plus x plus 15. That is the frequency of the up to 40. Cumulative frequency becomes here 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus x. Then 40 plus x plus y becomes 40 plus x plus y. Then 40 plus x plus y plus 5. Then you will get 45 plus x plus y. The total of frequency is given, that is total is 60. Sum of all frequencies 60. Therefore you can write 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. That is n equals 60 here. N equals 60. That implies 45 plus x plus y. 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. So x plus y equals 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45, that is x plus y equals 60 minus 45 is 15. Now here median is given. median is given. Median is 28.5. The given median is 28.5. Observe the table here. 28.5 means it lies in this class interval. Here 28.5 lies in the cumulative frequency 25 plus x. So 20 to 30 is the median class. Therefore median class is 20 to 30. Now you write here f is required, f is 20 and cf is 5 plus x. Then you write L is the lower limit of the class 20 to 30, that is 20, and f is the frequency of the median class, that is also 20, and cf is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 5 plus x. Then size of the class is 30 minus 20, that is 10. Now you write the formula for median. Formula for median is median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Then L is 20 plus n is 60 by 2 minus CF is 5 plus x by F is 20 into H is 10. That equals 20 plus 60 by 2 is 30 minus 5 minus x by 20 into 10. So 10 ones are 10 twos are, you will get that equals 20 plus 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x by 2. So here median is 28.5. Right, median is 28.5. So you got 28.5 equals 20 plus 25 minus x. Then here we have to solve x. Then you write 20 plus 25 minus x by 2 equals 28.5. Then it is 25 minus x by 2 equals 28.5 minus 20. Then you write 25 minus x by 2 equals 28.5 minus 20 is 8.5. So you write 25 minus x equals 8.5 into 2. 8.5 into 2. Then it is 25 minus x equals 8.5 into 2 is, that is 17. So you take here 25 minus 17 equals x. 25 minus 17 is 8. 8 equals x you got. Therefore x equals 8. X equals 8 you got. Then you know that x plus y is equals to 15. X plus y is equals to 15. X plus y equals 15. Then x is 8. 8 plus y equals 15. So you got y is equals to 15 minus 8. Therefore you got y is equals to 7. In this way you got x equals 8 and y equals 7. X equals 8 and y equals 7. Here by using the given median you got the value of x and y.